How to buy Bloom Labs token. So this token came under the symbol of Bloom. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money in also crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available in the screener. It created 7 hours ago and increased by 25,000% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 9 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your fund wallet. For that, click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this auto token, click on it, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select the provider from here. Click on provider. Select the Jupiter, for example. Click on apply. Go back and make sure to read all that information here. Click on stop, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Bloom token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.